Yo, Conastantu. Hi, how are you? Ben from Bite Size Irish here. And people sometimes ask me, how do you say probably in Irish? So today I would like to take a little bite-sized look at that. So to say probably in Irish, we're going to use the adjective dócha, which means likely or probable. And that's used with the copula is, becoming is dócha. When we're combining that with other parts of a sentence, we use go. So, is dócha go, is likely that, or is probable that. So for instance, if we wanted to say, we will probably be late, is dócha go memid déanach. Is dócha go memid déanach. Now, we put is dócha at the beginning of the sentence here, replacing the emphasis on the probably here. It's also possible, slightly different emphasis, to put is dócha on the end of the sentence. So we would have Bemid déanach is dócha. We will be late, probably, or it is likely. Bemid déanach is dócha. So the negative of this is dócha is ní dócha. So if you're answering a question, an nearhig tú leis, will you tell him ní dócha é? An nearhig tú leis, will you tell him ní dócha é? It is not likely. Ní dócha é. And we could put this ní dócha at the beginning of a sentence, like ní dócha go meg tú ann amórach. It's not likely that you'll be there tomorrow. Ní dócha go meg tú ann amórach. Ní dócha go meg tú ann amórach. So you probably won't be there tomorrow. So if we want to say that something is very probable, we can put this word dócha aside and we can use the word chance. So you could say, there's every chance I'll be there tomorrow. Gach chance go meg me ann amórach. Gach chance, every chance. Most likely. Gach chance go meg me ann amórach. If we want to say that something is most probable out of a variety of different outcomes, we will use is dóchi, most probable. So if we want to say it is most probable that Italy will win the World Cup, sé is dóchi go muigh an idáil an curran downda. Sé is dóchi go muigh an idáil an curran downda. It is most likely that Italy will win the World Cup. So there you go. Is dócha bhfuil sé nám críoch nua. I suppose it is probably time to finish up.
Transform your Irish language journey in 1 week. Take the gaeilge gach lá 1 week challenge starting Monday. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, coming back to Irish, or you're already an active learner. Go to challenge.irish or click the link in the description.